Hi everyone, Olga with you today, and as you already know from the name of the video, it will be unboxing of Chanel bag, and this is my actually first Chanel bag in my life. For me it's really exciting. I got the package just half an hour ago by Vestiaire collective, and I didn't open it. I want to do it with you. I want to show you how it really is, and how I like the bag and what's are inside of the bag, and like my impressions, and I don't know even what to say. So it's kind of improvised video and you can't record it second time, so hopefully you will like it. Sorry if something is going like too nervous or something wrong, but I will try to show you as much as possible like it really is. So I already had the glasses of Chanel for several years ago. It was my first Chanel purchase, and then some earrings, but small things. I never had something like a bag, and for me it's like a big dream. I first never thought that I will buy it because they are so expensive on their official side prices, but of course now we know that we can buy Preloved things in such sites as Vestiaire Collective and others. I've looked for many reviews, many videos of other bloggers. Some of them are really good, several of them are not so good, so I'm a little bit worried. Yeah, but we will talk about it next time. Next time I also will make more videos about updates of this bag, but now we need just to open it. It's so scary, so I will just start. And while I'm packing it, I will tell you just that I really even dressed like for Chanel outfit, and for me I will just say that I am so like bag person. For me the bags are like a dream, and I love them, I care about them, I try to take care about them, but I ordered some bag that I really want to use every day, not just to have it in my closet like a souvenir. So I just will tell you that it's not black, so you know, and everything else now we will see. So yeah, really scary. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know. My followers who know me know how my god, how I'm scared. It's in the box. Look, I will show you. It's in the box, it's good. Oh, the box actually is so small, it's not so big. You can see it. Oh my god, like how it looks. The box looks like really new. Yeah, I bought this bag and it was said that it's in very good condition. And I will check it. Oh my god. Wish me luck. I hope that I will like it, because as you know in Vestiaire Collective you can't give it back. You can just resell it without any commissions, but I would not like to do it. I want my first bag not to be bad experience, but a good experience. And well, I'm opening it. Actually it's so cloudy. I wanted it to be more like light, but I hope you will see everything. Like we're in Sweden, it can be cloudy. You see there is something here that I can so I open the bag and watch it with you. Ooh, here is my, so nothing here. Yeah, here is some, this is packaging things. There is my name here, and some papers. It's in a dust bag. Oh, as you already can imagine, it's not so big. Yeah, you see there is something. Well, first I will see what's here. There is something in the box. I will read. This is I don't know what, Chanel Dubai branch. So I think it's from the store. It's something like with this some stamp on it from Dubai branch. I'm not really sure, like to tell you, is it from the store But here is the date of 17, so maybe it was purchased in this 2017, so probably it's from the store, yeah, or duty-free or store in Dubai. I don't know how it looks in duty-free, so whatever, but okay. And actually the bag, like it's in this dust bag from Chanel, and I will open it. Oh my god, I hope it's good. Oh my god, oh, it's another way. It was like that. Oh my god, yes, it's beautiful. My god, it's so beautiful. Now look at it closer. It's silver. Yes, I watched through hundreds and hundreds of bags in Vestiaire, and I wanted something like light, because you know that I already have this the black bag from Yves Saint Laurent. Bought it several months ago, and this one I didn't want the black one, so but beige were quite boring for me. But this one will go with everything, I think. Oh my, and that wallet on the chain, it's so soft. It's some material, but I actually didn't think that it will be so soft, because on the picture it looks like maybe it will be like a little bit like plastic, fantastic, you know, but it's really soft. It's like a sweat or something, like when you touch it. It's so cool. So wow. And the chain is like perfect. I don't see anything. It looks like really perfect condition. This is the control from verification control of Vestiaire Collective. Yes, and delivery note when it was sold, the 15th of May. So I need to open it and to check it inside. For now, it's like everything is perfect. You see, there is no use marks. This bag was the owner of the bag wrote that she only dressed it for wedding. I can imagine it's very nice and beautiful piece for a wedding, and so she didn't use it anymore, so it's in a brand new condition. And but actually I'm selling my shoes of Manolo Blahniks also in Vestiaire Collective, because they're a little bit too tight on me. I thought that they will become bigger with several times when I use them, and in my wedding and several times after, but it didn't work like that, so they didn't become bigger and it still hurts. So I decided to sell them, and I hope somebody also will buy it soon. I actually had already several people asked about it, and it's also in a good condition, so I am completely like for buying things in Vestiaire and other sites like Preloved. First, you don't spend so much money, maybe twice cheaper than if you buy in the store. And secondly, it's nowadays like all the bloggers and all society is talking about the sustainable fashion, that we can use longer things and take care about nature. So it's like a good beginning, good start with something Preloved like this. So beautiful piece. I think it should be some mark here. Yeah, I think I already see it because I've seen it on the picture. But I was not sure, because they said that like it's very good condition. There is some small mark here. I will try to put a focus here, like I don't know if you see it, but it's so small. I don't know how did it happen. Maybe it was wet or something. And here also there is another small mark here. Oh, my face isn't focus. Yeah, here and here, but I don't know if you see it so good on the camera, but it's really like I thought it will be worse. But anyway, they say that it's very good condition. But actually my shoes, like they had also some small marks, and I put them to another part of this, like just good condition without very good condition. This also should be in a good condition, but I can imagine that it's something in the middle. So very good condition, it doesn't mean that it will be completely new. It can be used and with a small marks, but they not affect the completely look of the bag. So look inside how it looks. Here I have a lot of papers, all the passport stuff, like that and that, and I will see what's this. Probably some booklets. Why, they're in different languages, in some, yes, Arabic, and in some, is it French. So this bag probably was bought in Dubai, like I'm sure it was bought in Dubai, of course, and we'll see. And more, I also see this is some paper just for protection, and a small something small something from Chanel. I don't know what is it. I will open and see. I open. It's some other booklet. It's in English. Okay, maybe something additional in English. And should be somewhere. We will see where is the identification card. Not here. Aha, here. Like I tried to look in different. Here is the card with the number. I don't know yet how to check it, but I believe that there is some identification site or even on Chanel site that you can put these numbers and see if it's real or not. But everything looks really real, like a lot of stuff. It's difficult to make a fake on this kind of things. So the card should be, it's good that it is. And how it looks inside. I didn't see like the pictures on the site were not perfect quality, but here if you see, this is inside, you can see this light purple color, and there are, this is actually, I didn't tell you in the beginning, this is a wallet on chain. The chain is not so actually long. I thought it will be longer, like in all chains in Chanel they are really long, and this is quite short. Yeah, I don't know. But it's good. And here are the places for the cards, like a lot. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards, so you don't need to have a wallet. Here are the big pocket, here the smaller pocket with the zipper. You can put some money or hide something there. Then one more, and then again one more, and then again one more. Oh my god, it's so many, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like no, 1, 2, 3. Oh, there are 2 pockets with a zipper, 1 and 2. I didn't see it first. Yeah, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different pockets. This is good, and everything is in good condition. Yeah, almost perfect. Here I found some more marks, probably on the wedding it was some champagne or something. I don't know if you see it, but when you like, you can never see it if you will not look like really into it. Oh yes, I will leave it. And finally, I was worrying about it like several weeks when I bought it, while the first the sellers sent it to Vestiaire and they checked it, and then they said to me, and it took like almost 10 days. Yeah, so it's quite long. So the chain, I will show you the closer the chain also. How does it look? Like if I can focus it. Here are the chain. Yeah, it looks good. No problems with it. And also because of this material, I'm not so much worried about it, because I've seen a lot of bags like that in Chanel, and they were quite, like if they're in leather, sometimes the chain, especially colored leather, not a black one, but I didn't want the black, that was a problem. I've seen several red and beige ones where the strap was, the chain was already, this material inside the chain was already like damaged with some color went away and something, so I didn't want to have this problem. And with this material, with the cloth, there is not an issue. This is not a problem. So how will I style it? Hope you see it like that. You can press it. Yeah, it's not long at all. I expected it to be the same size, but I thought it will be a little bit more long. Hope you guys see it. But I like it. Yeah, it's even better because like I'm a short person, short in my height, so I didn't want it to be too long, and I am expecting to dress it on so this way, Maybe it doesn't look so convenient, but now it's kind of fashionable to have it like this. Yeah, I can do this. I like it. On the street styles and things, they always go like that. Yeah, or this way, or maybe on the back also. Yeah, like hello Chanel. Yes, my first Chanel bag. Oh my god, and I like how it looks. Here is also my microphone. It doesn't, it's difficult. Wait, yeah. So how do you like it? Oh my god, I have Chanel bag. So I'm so excited. And oh my god, finally it happens. Now I'm dreaming about some more stuff from Chanel. And you can see how happy I am. Whew. Hope you like this video, and I will make some more videos about these bags and how I will wear and tear it, or hopefully I will not, and how will we use it, of course, and some updates, and also what I can put inside, so stay tuned. By the way, yeah, I forgot to tell how much it costed. It costed 1,300 euros for me, and there are several options in Vestiaire Collective like that, and they are more expensive, so I think I'm quite lucky with it. So yes, now I need to start to breathe again, and I will look more for this bag, and I love it so much. And if the seller looks at this video, hello, her name is Helena, and I can write some probably good response about the seller and everything, but actually, yeah, the only thing, it was some marks here, which maybe should not supposed to be, but anyway, it was much cheaper than another options, and for me it's okay. It's not a big problem, because you know, when you start to wear a bag first day after you buy it in the store, it becomes used. So it could happen with me also. It's already happened with my Manolo Blahniks, that they have some mark, but it's okay. It's look just anyway perfect. You can see all the marks here or something. It looks just perfect from all the sides. So hope you guys like the video. Write me what you think, and did you have the same experience, because it's my first purchase in the Vestiaire Collective, and write me what experience did you have, and what bags do you dream about, and hope you will all have your dreams to come true. Bye bye.